2012 Ford Fusion with a 2.5. We're going to put some spark plugs in it. I found it was way down there. Can't do a video without dropping something, right? A little mouse nest going on in here. It's not too bad. Let's break them all loose. Yep, they're a little burned. Let's go get the specs. So it looks like we need a 49 to 53 spark plug gap and 9 foot-pounds. I got this information off of Riley's. All right, let's get the new plugs ready. They got custom car right on them. These are iridiums. So we want to be very careful. Some of these are recommended not even to check the gap, so we're going to be extremely careful. Always nicer to go at the lower end of the gap. So we're right at 50. 50. 50. 50. So we're real good on these. We'll get each one of these started. I'm not going to put nothing on the threads. They got a silver coating on them. You just want to lightly get them down there, and we'll get them all started by hand. Careful not to hit the end. use the electric ratchet and run them all down. Now we'll get the torque wrench all set up here. I got the gear wrench. 9 foot-pounds seems that it's not very tight, but let's see what it acts like. There's 10. Alright, 10's the lowest we could go. So next what we want to do is we want to put a dielectric grease down here in the boot. Just a little bit. We'll go ahead and get these coils bolted down and then we're done. Alright, there you go. That's how you change your spark plugs on your 2012 Ford Fusion with the 2.5. Yeah, it's oil change today, and this guy just wanted some spark plugs. I got to change oil on it and check engine light. And probably should check that air filter. Looks like we got a mouse living up here. Alright, so I just thought I'd throw a quick video out there. So this one's got 210,000 miles. So I think those were original. So they don't look too bad, so maybe you can go a little more miles. And I always recommend going with an OE plug. It's a little more expensive, but there's only 4 of them. So yeah, hopefully you guys are doing something fun for Saturday. Maybe we're gonna quit around noon. So I got about a half hour to go before I can go do stuff for myself. So, yeah, thanks for watching and catch me next time.